If your composition feels lifeless, introducing subtle movement through framing can instantly energize the design. Today, how to create flowing frame compositions. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Start by inserting 3 rectangular frames arranged in a soft curved or diagonal flow across the canvas. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting them carefully to maintain balance. Now select the background and apply a soft gradient that follows the direction of the layout. Slightly rotate one frame and overlap another to create natural movement without making the design messy. Add thin connecting lines with reduced opacity to guide the viewer's eye. Use position tools to align everything